Okay, a battery backup sump pump is a separate pump altogether that fits in your sump pit alongside your primary pump. It's powered by its own battery source, so in case your power goes out, your battery will kick on and it'll kick the pump on so your house doesn't flood. It also acts as a backup to your primary pump. In case your primary pump fails, your battery pump will then react. This particular pump connects to your Wi-Fi, where it will send you text notifications if the pump is run, which will give you some time to get home and have someone change or look at this primary pump.